Get help. If you can't turn on or use Wi-Fi calling, make sure that your carrier offers Wi-Fi calling and that your devices have the latest software. Then, follow these steps if you can't turn on Wi-Fi calling or make a Wi-Fi call. Wait 2 minutes before you go from one step to the next. Go to Settings, Phone Wi-Fi Calling, and make sure that Wi-Fi calling is on. Restart your iPhone. Connect to a different Wi-Fi network. Not all Wi-Fi networks work with Wi-Fi calling. Turn Wi-Fi calling off and then on again. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings.
I hope this has fixed the issue. Leave a like and subscribe. Comment below on what issues I should make next.